to the St. Charles City County Library's classes and events calendar. This video will show you how to use and navigate the calendar's features. We begin with the events calendar's homepage. Listed are the specific events and classes for the day. Each event will have a title, the date and time, where it will be located, the recommended age group, event type labeled with a colored dot, and a short description. Clicking on a title will open a new tab. There, you'll be able to add the class or event to your calendar, see where it's located, or watch the pre-recorded video. You can also share this class or event with your friends and family through Facebook, Twitter, or email by clicking on the corresponding icon on the left side of your screen. To get back to the Classes and Events Calendar homepage, close the Event tab in your browser. In the left-hand column, you can navigate through the events by clicking specific days or months using the arrows. If you want a specific range of dates, click the tab above the small calendar and choose the dates. The list will populate all the classes and events for this range of dates. For those events that have a register button, you must sign up to attend the class. Click on the register button and a pop-up form will appear. All fields with an asterisk are required, including email. If you do not have an email address, please call the branch to register. Once you've filled out your information, select Register at the bottom of the form. You can also search for events by name using the upper search bar. Don't know the name of an event or class? You can filter your search by location, age group, or event type. If you want to see events on a calendar instead of a list, you may click the calendar icon in the top right corner. The days are labeled with the event type indicated by the colored dot. Hover over the events to see a pop-up description. To see a list of the day's activities, simply click the day and the events will appear beneath. Want to create a downloadable calendar? Choose Create Brochure beneath the search bar on the top left side of the screen. Read through the green highlighted box for the brochure contents. If you want different dates or filters, click the Create a Different Brochure link. Fill out the form with the dates and filters desired. You can download a PDF file to your device, send the brochure to an email address, or subscribe for a daily, weekly, or monthly file sent to your email. Have more questions about the classes and events calendar? Visit mylibrary.org and click the Ask Us link.